Welcome to our portable laundry showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular options for those living in small spaces or on the go. The ROVSUN 15 lbs portable washing machine and the 16L mini washer. We'll dive into their features, performance, and which one might be the best choice for your laundry needs. Whether you're in an RV, dorm, or just need a compact solution, we've got you covered. The ROVSUN 15 lbs portable washing machine offers a substantial washing capacity of 15 pounds, divided into a 9 pounds washing tub and a 6 pound spin tub. This makes it suitable for handling larger loads, perfect for weekly laundry. In contrast, the 16L mini washer is designed for small, delicate items, making it ideal for travel, but limiting its capacity for everyday laundry needs. If you need to wash larger items or multiple garments, the ROVSUN is the clear winner. When it comes to performance, the ROVSUN excels with its high-speed spin cycle, reaching 1300 RPM, which significantly reduces drying time. This is a major advantage for users who want their clothes ready to wear quickly. On the other hand, the 16L mini washer has a light spin basket that provides minimal drying capability, leaving clothes quite wet after washing. For those prioritizing efficiency and quick drying, the ROVSUN stands out. Portability is another crucial factor to consider. The ROVSUN, while powerful, is relatively bulky and heavy, weighing around 24.25 pounds, making it less ideal for frequent transport. In contrast, the 16L mini washer is incredibly lightweight at just 4.5 pounds and can be folded down to a mere 6 inches in height, making it perfect for travel or storage. If you're constantly on the move, the Sangukiro mini washer is the better choice. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN 15 lbs portable washing machine and the 16L mini washer have their strengths and weaknesses. The ROVSUN is ideal for those who need a robust washing solution with a higher capacity and better performance, while the 16L mini washer is perfect for travelers or those with limited laundry needs. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.